ctto because it's a T. See, T. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my collections of a design butterfly, and it's all about affordable, sexy lingerie panty haul from Shopee. And it's also about G-strings, transparent, and embroidery material. So if you are interested on what I have for you here, then please keep on watching. A very first lingerie here, you guys, is one of my distinctive in my channel because I always have this. Chidan! Yes! So I got all these collections over a year, almost a year right now. And this is one of my famous lingerie. It is a butterfly. It's affordable, yes. I believe this is around 60 pesos, or I will leave it down below in the screen. And also, if you're interested on the vendor, they're all very budget friendly, and the shipping rates are all affordable as well. And you can get it at Shopee. Do your online shopping. And I think these days there are a lot of discounts, so just check them out. And if you're interested, I will leave it in the description, or just comment down below and I will let you know. So back to where I am. So this is the design of this lingerie. Ain't that beautiful, right? It is a butterfly. And design like this, it's mostly for like bride, if you want to have those kind of moment with your spouse, you want to be extra, this will be it. And this is scratchless, as you can see. It's just a design on the front of your, your moment. So this will be the highlight of this lingerie. It's the butterfly design covering your frontal here, crotchless here for fun, and the back is just G-string, like the T-tongue, right? So that's, they said about this kind of a lingerie, they said it's T-tongue because it's a T. See, T. Look at that, T. Yes, and very amusing for me. It is fun, and if you want different colors, there are also colors here. I've seen purple, I've seen I think pinks, and if you're into that kind of color, yeah, go for it. Okay, so that's our first lingerie. All right, are you interested for the next one? Okay, let's dive in. Chadan, Paru G. I just featured this recently, so if you're interested, I will leave the link up. And of course, again, as the title of this video, it's an affordable butterfly sexy lingerie panty haul from Shopee. And it's also G-strings. Look at the design here in the back. T-tongue as well, right? T-tongue. And the hardware for this is heart. Yes. It is a very cool one. You got this, and if you have a round butt, man, this is very catchy, and your spouse will gonna love this one, guys. Again, it's crotchless here. You can see that. Yes, it's very cool and unique design. Love it. Embroidery here. And sorry if there's a light change because of my change of memory card. Again, back to where I was. So here in the front, it's a T-tongue. Look at that, right? It's a heart shape, metal. Over time, I don't know if this could really like remain the way it is. Will it fade? Who knows, because this is very affordable, cheap, price. So I'm not very sure if this could remain this way, if it's a chrome or what, silver. No, I don't think so. Plated, not very sure, guys. But for a bride-to-be, yes, definitely I would suggest this because it's fun, it's crotchless. Look at that, G-strings, and the stitchings are really good, right? So sorry about that, so hard to capture my macro details. Okay, so this is it, right? So this is it, butterfly, embroidery, G-strings right here, tongue like designs. Look at that, so cool. Red also. Prices for this I will leave it down below as well. All right, so very cute and fun, right? And yes, all right, so are you excited for our next third one, which is my bet? It is also featured in this channel. Okay, so here it is. Ta-da! This is one of my favorite ones. Why? I filmed this already twice, but for some reason, monetary wise, the video got problems with, I don't know, ads and something like that. But hopefully this video can, you know, give us more ads. Sana naman. This is a very paru-paro G, guys. Very unique. This is one of my favorite ones of all because designs, very solid. Look at that silver thing, parang nagdi-disco. And here, look at the emblems, the, you know, the sparkles right here, the embroidery here, and also considering how cheap and affordable it is. Yes, you guys, I would recommend bride-to-be. Is it okay still? Definitely yes, I would, because look at that, guys. Ain't that fun? Ain't that great? Of course, tea bag. Yes, it's a string as well. Look at that. This is very cute. I really love this one because it's solid, you know. This can last long because the stitching, the embroideries are good, designs. Overall, this one, 10 over 10 for me. Price, quality, durability, this can last long. Yeah, fun, exciting, yes, it can, but got a little bit of a, you know, how you got a conservatism here. Conservatism, is there a word for it? But hey, anyway, so this is it. These are my top 3 butterflies. There are more. I will put it in the next video. So please keep on watching. Comment down below. Like this video if you want to do me more. Or for try-ons, I will try it in the next or in the future. Okay, I just have to buy some materials for it. It will come soon, but just wait for it. I will try my best. For those requests that needs try on, what does it look like? I'm thinking about it, okay? So just wait for it. Don't be mad. Don't get mad. Thank you so much, guys, for your like and support. Like and subscribe. That's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.